Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Curious Kids General Knowledge Class 5th book. Lesson number 11, Holy Books. Fill in the blanks to know the holy books of different religions. Dash are known as the Encyclopedia of the Hindu religion. Puranas, 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 the main scripture of the Hindu religion are the dash, dash, and dash. Vedas, 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 Upanishads, 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 Bhagavad Gita, Bhagwadgita, Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Ramayana, Ramayan, the sacred book of Islam is Quran, 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 the holy book of Sikh is dash, Guru Granth Sahib, Gurgranthsahib, Guru Granth Sahib. The holy book of Christians is dash, Bible, Bible, Bible. The holy book of Parsis is dash, Zen Avesta, ZEND, Zen, AVESTA, Avesta. The holy book of Jewish is dash, Torah, TORAH, Torah. The holy book of Baha is dash, Kitab-i Aqdas, KITAB, Kitab-i AQDAS, Aqdas. The holy book of Jains is dash, Kalpasutra, KALPA, Kalpa, SUTRA, Sutra. The holy book of Buddhism is dash, Tripitaka, TRIPITAKA, Tripitaka.